Hello dear friends, this is a very rare and unusual case. This is a case of a 91-year-old female patient who had a fall, head injury and presented to ED, and CT scan of the head was done. First of all, we can see that there are some huge intracranial aneurysms here, but there is no evidence of any complication. Another interesting point is that there are multiple hypoattenuating foci in the subarachnoid space with negative HUs, which represent fat droplets. Here and there, all of these represent fat droplets. I will show you the previous CT scan of the head. This is the previous CT scan of the head, approximately 1 year ago. So the findings are new. So the question is where these lipid fat droplets are coming from. It's a very unusual case, and according to the literature, some possible scenarios to explain these appearances are either a dermoid cyst or hematoma or teratoma with a rupture somewhere in the spine. We cannot see such a tumor in the brain anyway. And another scenario is fracture somewhere in the spine. So given the history of the patient, of the recent fall, the acute fall, and the new fat droplets in the subarachnoid space in the CT scan of the head, we recommended further evaluation with a CT scan of the whole spine. And here we can see an acute fracture in the sacrum at the level of the S3 vertebra. There is also evidence of a perineural Tarlov cyst in this region as well. So this is a weak point in the sacrum. Here is the fracture. Disruption of the bone. So the underlying mechanism in this case is bone marrow entry via the sacral fracture and dural violation and subsequent migration of fat droplets to the cranial portion of the subarachnoid space. In addition, in this patient, we found this Tarlov cyst. It's a perineural cyst, and perineural cysts are considered extradural meningeal cysts with nerve root fibers which may have connections to the subarachnoid space and contribute to the development of the subarachnoid fat migration or embolism. Dear friends, this is an extremely rare case. Let's have a look again to the CT scan of the head to see the fat droplets. If you like my videos, you can consider to subscribe to my channel so you can notify every time I upload a new video to my channel. Dear friends, thank you for watching and see you the next time.